Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is great because not enjoy the surroundings. The amenities of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several group and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Or more details, check the description. If you have a problem booking a room in this hotel, or you can book us by the link you will if you stay in this hotel, please share this video in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.